back, everybody. Make sure you like and subscribe to my uncle and auntie's channel. Bye.
Welcome back, everybody. Like, come back, subscribe.
My dad. What's up, CNS family? We're back with another vlog. It's your girl Sarah.
Boy, sucks.
And today we are here in the city at the Immigration Museum because we wanted to come and check out the Samoan tradition that they got inside the museum, which is so exciting. You know, we always have to support our Samoan community.
Yes.
And so yeah, and whatever other communities in there. It is Tux and Jason's RDO. We were actually meant to come with everyone, but Lanson is sick, Adea is really sick, she's teething, and my mum was really tired because she was up all night with Day because she did a shift swap with Chili. Black Cat, what should they do if they are new to this channel?
You know, hit that subscribe button, you know what it is, and remember to like, comment, share and subscribe.
Of the tickets, and for an adult it's $15 for admission, and for kids, in case you want to come, and for people that are on concession, it's for free. So if you got that concession card, use it. First things first, Tux actually needs to go toilet, so he's gone to the toilet. Jace, Black Cat, what do you know about your tradition?
That's the best. And you know, respect our elders.
Why is this girl helping her in the background? This girl is helping her brother in the background. What do you love the most about being Samoan?
You know, I love it's so rich, and so rich, but we makiva at the same time.
What does makiva mean?
Makiva is like poor. But on a serious note, our culture is, I just love that it's beautiful, it's full of respect, and very family oriented. And also we love our food, and there's plenty of food to go around.
Okay, so what do I love most about being Samoan? I love the fact that every single Samoan that you meet is legit. They have the most welcomingest face. Okay, not everyone, because some people have that like resting itch face, but like majority of the Samoans, they have like Chris's face is like, it looks like this, resting. I just love how welcoming they are. I love it, and their aura just. Yeah. Okay fam, so we just came in to the second bit of the museum, which is when people were migrating here to Australia. Okay fam, so you know we just wanted to...
Guys, we'll just go with shout out to the Immigration Museum in Collins, near Collins Street and Flinders Lane. Shout out to them for putting Samoa on the map.
Yeah, just putting Samoa on the map and displaying our tatau. You know, we're so proud to be Samoan and to be in this museum and see everyone so interested in our culture.
But not only Samoa, putting like islanders all on the map.
Yeah, all of Polynesia.
And our voices and our arms out. Shout out to the Immigration Museum. If you got nothing to do, come down, visit.
Come down and check out the museum, it's awesome, you know. Shout out to Giza.
Hey, and if you're proud to be a Samoan, what should you do? Yeah! Let's go!
We left the city and we're actually meant to go science work, but maybe we'll leave that for another vlog. It was only because it was really late. It is currently 2:56 and we're waiting for our movie that starts at 3:45, which we're just gonna watch Spider-Man. So we're out in the west and yeah. We are in the food court and I'm gonna be getting Potato Corner, which is this place. Love their fries, absolutely love their fries, so good. What are you getting?
I don't know.
I think she's gonna get Chinese because she be loving that Chinese food.
I'm basic.
Can I please get a 2-piece Potato large with the cheesy turkey?
Yeah.
With the chicken, can I get a fry and... Or can you do 2 fries? Are you allowed or no? Yeah, can I do 2 fries? He's like, yeah. I just got a combo. Just got combo. You want one of this too?
Alright family, so we finally got our food. I've got some crispy pork and rice. I think I might have to get some goat bucket soda, but we'll see how it goes.
Look at what I got. Trust me. Chris was like, what the hell is that? It's not spicy, it's just cheddar cheese with cheese on top. I think the salt of the cheese. It's not chicken salt, it's cheese, salt cheese. And then I got 2 chickens and I asked for fries specifically.
Then I just got the basic Chinese or whatever. And soy, some chicken mushroom and fried rice.
This was
Zinger box, I betcha.
Zinger, probably, most likely, eh?
Zinger box stew.
My sister said something crazy. Just then she said she was gonna shout all of us popcorn. She was lying. Just go pop your freaking head.
She has nothing.
Papa popcorn. Okay
Okay, so they're gonna give me popcorn. What? Do you want popcorn?
What would you like from me?
This is my bank account.
What's up, TNS family?
Yes, what's your name?
I'm Will. I
Okay.
work here at the cinema.
Where, Woodgrove?
Yeah, single.
Yeah.
Promote yourself. Here.
We've got to promote Will here. Guys, we use our lights. Oh, it's raining.
Yeah.
In Melton, on the west side. So any single girls on there?
Yes.
Yeah, Will.
He's 15.
15 years old, looking for a girlfriend.
Alright, yeah.
Thank you, Will.
Just know I'm into guys though.
Wow. Wow.
Just know I'm into guys though.
Wow.
Yeah, sorry. Guys.
Don't lie. I'm so dead. God, he's gay.
Okay fam, so we just came out of the movie. Oh my goodness, I actually really enjoyed it. So did you guys like it?
Too bad, eh?
The what?
Not bad.
Okay, so we're gonna rate the movie in 3. Wait, I don't know my number. Okay, 3, 2, 1, 8. Whoa. I rated it 8. It was actually really good. Anyways, we're gonna end the vlog here. We hope you enjoyed this vlog. Make sure that you give this video a thumbs up, and make sure if you are just a viewer and you haven't joined our TNS fam yet, click that subscribe button down below. We love you, TNS family. Bye. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe.